Hi, welcome back to Cedar City Chiropractic and Rehabilitation. Today we're going to talk about foam rollers. So a lot of people have issues in their mid to upper back or thoracic spine where it just gets really tight and they can't get that loosened up just with a heat pad. So use a foam roller. This is a 12-inch one. You can buy 18-inch, 24, 36 inches if you want, but a 12-inch foam roll would work just fine. So we sell these here at the clinic for $15. I think Walmart and sports type stores should have them as well. So anyway, so what you want to do is start kind of the mid-back area, just below the shoulder blades, and then you're going to roll back and forth. You want to make sure that your butt and your head are down. A lot of times when people have a tight back, they'll tend to lift their head up as they do it. So keep that down, rolling back and forth. If you find a tight spot, just stop right there and let it fall a little bit more. So thanks for listening and watching at Cedar City Chiropractic. And check us out on the internet at cedarcitychiro and rehab.com and on Facebook. Thanks. Have a great day.